Now, as we've been reporting, we are anticipating that the ceasefire is coming on Sunday. But right now, so much of the focus is on the toll that Gaza and Palestinians have already had to face. Much of it is difficult to comprehend. According to the Palestinian Ministry of Health, they say nearly 47,000 people have been killed since the war began in October of 2023. But as CBC News' senior international correspondent Margaret Evans is reporting, there's a new study that suggests the number may actually be significantly higher.
One more farewell in a land soaked in blood. The ceasefire set to come into effect in Gaza on Sunday in sight, but out of reach for the dead being mourned here. Victims of an Israeli missile strike in Khan Yunis on Wednesday, after a breakthrough in diplomacy was announced. More than 100 Palestinians are thought to have been killed in Gaza strikes since then.
Ceasefires are inherently dangerous times.
Aid agencies are waiting anxiously for calm that will allow them, they hope, to work.
There's been drugs that we've been waiting for since April of last year, painkillers, supplements for children.
A pause will also allow Gazans to count the dead. A recent study looking at the first 9 months of the war suggests the death toll could be 40% higher.
We find that it's between 55,000 to 78,000 that were killed, possibly from October to June. The median is around 64,000.
That compares to a count of 38,000 by Hamas officials for the same period. Dr. Zaina Jamaluddin says the statisticians used a sampling technique that relied on cross-checking lists.
We only relied on names of people who were killed and those who have IDs.
25-year-old Mahmoud Sukar lives with the sound of an Israeli drone overhead and not much else. 17 members of his family, including his twin brother Mohammed, killed in an airstrike over a year ago. He keeps their death certificates close. I carry them so the world sees how we were once a family, he says. Now they're this. Sukar says he's lived through too many wars in his young life. It's enough, he says. The most precious people are gone. So much more than numbers on a page. Margaret Evans, CBC News, London.